Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Before I start my video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to control your PC or server using your Android device, or how to remote access your server using Android device. So for doing this, you have to go to Google Play Store and you have to download a apps which is called Microsoft Remote Desktop. So I am downloading Microsoft Remote Desktop apps, and after that you have to install it. When the installation will be complete, you have to accept their terms and conditions. Accept it, and after that you have to add your server or PC IP address and must be select user as administrator mode. So for doing that, you have to click plus button and select desktop. Now you have to write down your server IP address or PC IP address. I am writing here my server IP address and select the username as administrator mode. And you have to save it and click on it. After that, this is connecting, but the apps ask about the password in your server. So I am write down the server and select connect. You can see here that now you can access your server PC or your desktop PC or laptop PC using these apps. Now if you go to Google Chrome and if you select any of the site, like I am browsing YouTube, and you can see here that you can access or control your PC using these apps. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, comment and subscribe my channel.